Hi guys and welcome to Capturco Prod, when polygons meet desire. My name is Hikko. Today we'll go through the process of creating a two-piece brake disc. The first part will focus on the brake rotor itself, and the second part will cover the mounting that connect it to the car hub. I use a reference from abcbrake.com. There is a very good photos from all angles there. Let's load our reference and center it. Create a circle and set it to 48 vertices. Adjust the size and add 2 additional circles. Then connect the piece of the geometry we need 3 faces, which equal 22.5 degrees. Delete the unnecessary geometry. Now let's create the bolt mounting geometry for the second part of the disc. At the end, use Loop Tools Space Relax to smooth the topology. Add a hole by creating a cylinder and using the Boolean modifier. But before that, we'll slightly prepare the geometry. Apply the Solidify modifier, adjusting the back side of the disc. Apply the mirror modifier. Create ventilation holes using additional faces, vertical ones and one horizontal. After that, delete the unnecessary faces. Now it's time for the back side of the disc, but first extrude the walls of the holes. Then select the disk itself, duplicate it and mirror it along the y-axis. Finally, merge the vertices. Now let's create the grooves on the surface. Besides grooves, there can also be drilled holes. Those can be created at the beginning, it's not critical. Create a new plane and connect the vertices. Shape the geometry according to the reference. Then convert it to a curve and give it thickness. Convert its back to a mesh, delete the unnecessary parts. And slightly stretch the ending. Make some adjustment and fit it to our segment of the disk. Join the meshes, build helper geometry for the disk. Apply the Boolean difference modifier. Remove the extra vertices and replace the back surface of the disk. using the spin tool. Set 7 steps and 315 degrees. Finally, select the vertices and merge the geometry. At the end, as usual, we prepare everything for rendering. In the second part, we will finish the other half with the mounting section. Thank you for watching, and hopefully this video will help you reach new heights in Blender. See you next time!